Episode number 4.
4 for framing.
4 for framing.
Ready to go up? Oh, this ball's heavy.
Previously, to get to this point, we worked on water line, plumbing line, sub-foundation plumbing, and then the contractors poured the concrete. So now we have all of that done, and now we're starting on the framing.
After our plans got approved, we put together our lumber package. Our architect had a company that did the trusses. So we called them, sent them our plans. And they said, great, they'll be ready in, I think it was just like 2 weeks. I think in total we had 16.
Yeah. 16
total trusses, all built the exact same since we were doing a mono pitch roof.
And then for the, all of the wood that we used for the actual framing, we shopped around a lot. We looked at Home Depot, Homeco, all these different lumber yards to see which type of lumber we could get cheapest. We would call each one of them, send them our plans. They would send us back their takeoff package. We would see, okay, they're 2x4s. This place's 2x4s is way cheaper, that kind of thing. We ended up calling them right when we started the foundation work, right? Kind of having all that lined up. We wanted everything to be as fast as possible.
Created a very simple Excel sheet that went over the quantity, the size of lumber we needed, from the Tyvek, the house wrap, the tape, the sheathing, the siding, the physical lumber itself, the nails. Right. Just highlighted which one was cheapest, which was most expensive, and then went from there.
Measure, it's a studio. So when I say rooms, I mean the closet and the bathroom. So we had to measure all of those internal walls. And it seems silly because we were doing the external walls, but we needed to know where we needed to, attach or anchor the internal walls before we built the external walls so that we could put supports in there between the 46. It's going to be from the bathroom wall to this side.
He's not lined up anywhere over here yet.
Sorry,
I'm fighting a spider.
Wayne's freaking out about a freaking spider.
Oh.
Pressure treated lumber, 2x6.
2x6.
That's going to be the bottom plate.
To make sure that our top plate and our bottom plate lined up with the studs, we just mark them all together at the same time so that we can set them up and everything would line up perfectly.
Super excited. Larry Hahn, the whole time he worked, he used a very heavy hammer and nails. You take that base plate or the sill, you lay it on top of your J-bolts, and then you go down and you hammer on each one, and that lets you know where you need to drill through.
We started on the easiest wall, which was maybe a little bit of a trick, because then the next one we did the hardest wall.
Yeah.
And as we'll see, we struggled pretty hard with that one.
Installed our J-hooks, which this is what is going to anchor the frame.
Oh gosh.
It's all Wayne. Oh, 1,500
No
pounds.
Wayne, no gain.
One of the oopsies we did do while doing the framing is the very first wall we didn't put this barrier. It's like a vapor barrier that you put underneath the bottom plate. and you're supposed to do that first and then put the wall up. Well, we put the wall up and forgot that we didn't put that on, so we had to slowly lift the wall as we went down and roll the vapor barrier underneath that.
Pretty cool. They just built a wall. They watched them build the wall. What are they? What is she doing?
All right, y'all. Day 1 of framing in the books. Did not think we were going to get a wall up today, but I feel great. First framed wall up, done. Check that bad boy off. So tomorrow we're gonna continue, get the other 3 up, and yeah, so we're feeling good. It's a little bit later, but good progress today. Looking forward to continuing tomorrow.
While you'll see, we'll like be looking at the bow of the wood, make sure all of the bows are going the same way, just to help with making the walls somewhat straight instead of super wavy, because that's going to give us problems later on when we're doing siding and drywall.
We'll leave it
Keep
right
it in
here.
our way.
Keep it in our way.
Get that to fit before we nail it up to this. But we can nail these tops.
We can do the
in.
top.
Lined up the base plate with all of the J-bolts, and made sure it was square, and then we kind of imprinted a little circle on there so that we could drill a hole. So when we build the whole wall, we could set it up there and we'd go in the holes.
Don't take that. You gotta go that way. Yeah. There you go. That's how I got it.
We're gonna slide it this way
Oh, we're doing like that.
first, and then we'll
We
slide
only
it that
have-
way.
We only have. Or we need it to
shit.
go.
We're gonna have to stand it
Yeah.
Where
and
we're
then
at,
slide
then.
it.
and then slide it. You wanna-
2, 3.
Okay.
All right, let's pick it up and slide towards us at the same time. What do you think?
Woo!
Oh, this ball's heavy.
Ready?
How's everyone feeling?
Shake.
Maybe a break?
Get us a.
A block?
Yeah,
We
just
don't.
get that green one.
Wayne needs a break, he says.
Just get that green one right there, and we'll use it as a break. Okay. A little break. All right, we get one more.
Yeah. This is the worst wall.
Yeah, get that and then grab a 14 footer over there. Do the same as I'm doing.
You want me to go to the other side and brace?
Right there.
Just keep it from coming this way?
Want nuts and bolts?
Yeah.
I got 'em.
Wait.
How's doing that wall as compared to yesterday?
Yeah, that sucked. Doing that wall compared to yesterday.
I almost got rhabdo in the shoulders again.
Milani?
Yeah, Wayne tapped out first. We just have to let everyone know.
I did, no shame.
Did you see?
It was rough.
What are you doing? And how do you feel about it?
Blocking at 8 feet in the air with a nail gun, and it's heavy.
How are you doing it at 8 feet?
That I can't remember, but it's because something with the sheathing.
That's perfect. The reason we started there, another part, right, is we know where we would need to end, where we would need to start, depending on how you want to look at it. We knew how high, we knew how low we needed to be. We also knew our roof pitch was a 12-2. So every foot we dropped 2 inches, which was the lowest that our local building codes would allow. With that, we had to use that and then figure out the math for every 16 inches on center, where that needed to be cut. Then we also had to figure out the angle on how to cut it, so like this, on a bias, I guess, to line up with that top plate, which ended up being 9 degrees. Here's where Lynette did all the blocking. Just looks like we're having a party.
I can show us working till the wee hours.
That's right, 3 a.m.
3.
Neighbors don't even care.
Nope.